What it do? Back again coming through. Who that is? Ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this blonde bombshell for you. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And as you can tell, we are trying something new, something different. You know, I always love blonde hair on dark skin tone, but I always feel like I just can't get it right for myself. But this comes close. So let's dive in. All right. Today's hair is by a new company as well. Shout outs to the new sponsors. It is by Amanda Hair, and this is my very first time to work with them. And right off the bat, I love it. I love it. I love it with a passion. I love it with everything within me. I feel pretty. Like, this is just beautiful. Now, I did do a lot of cutting because it was 26 inches. But like I told y'all, I'm kind of feeling the shorter lengths. You see what I'm saying? So I did cut it. But this came in 26 inches and the ends were super blonde. You're going to see all of that further down in the video. So let's just jump right on into the spec. Okay, so today I am rocking their Highlight Honey Blonde Mix Brown Loose Wave. It is glueless. Okay, now I did do a little bit of glue, but hold on now. It is a 13x4 clear transparent lace, and like I said, I have in 26 inches and it's 13x4, right? Okay, with that being said, like I said, I did go in and do a lot of cutting on this. I felt like the blondes down here wasn't really doing it for me, and I really wanted to make this work on myself. The color up here though, this is beautiful, from the dark to the brown to the blonde. I like it a lot, and she is full of body. Yes, now y'all know me, I'm a lazy girl. I'm all about making things super quick, so all I did was go in with my bendy rollers. I wet it down, put it on, did like a roller set with my bendy rollers and put it under the blow dryer. So this is all the curls from that. I didn't do anything else. And then I went in and chopped it up, put some layers in there, and cut it to about, I want to say maybe 22 inches. I took off a lot. I'm not going to lie. I took off a lot. But look at it. Hello. Are you kidding me? Like, I like this a lot. This is pretty. This is pretty. And another thing that we're not doing, we're not sticking down the whole entire unit anymore. We're done with that. We're only doing the side tabs. Because here's the thing. I have yet to come across a glue. Now, mind you, I haven't really tried a lot, but I have yet to come across a glue that doesn't shine. Whether it be hairspray or whatever it is, it's always shining. So here's what we're doing. We're sticking down the side area, okay? And we can camouflage that with the sideburns, especially if we're gonna be doing like a full lace, all right? If it's not a full lace, you don't have to worry about this. And we're gonna camouflage the lace and all of that action with the sideburns, and then there's no more shine. Cause all of this right here, I don't have nothing underneath here. Nothing, okay? And I think this looks the best. I think this is the way to go. Like, I'm over it. I'm over that shiny cast. Like, I want to wear my wigs and not be clockable, and I want to wear my wigs and not, you know what I'm saying? Like, something is not right there sometimes. Because I love me a good straight pressed out hair now, you know what I'm saying? Especially for us kinky curly girls who don't want to be wearing and dealing with our natural hair all the time, you get what I'm saying? But it gotta look right. So we're done with the glue. We're done with all that gluing, okay? We're gonna buy the glue, but we're only gonna do the side tabs. That's it. Okay, I feel like this is the best my hair has looked in a very long time, and not to mention the transparent lace and all of that good stuff. But yeah, I feel like there's no shine. You know what I'm saying? You can always tell the shine. That shine right there. After no shine on jam. Oh, I want y'all. Okay, but yeah, I love this. It is full. It is beautiful, and I like this on me. I'm not gonna lie. I like this on me. This is really pretty, very girly. I like it a lot. I like it. All right, so without further ado, let's just get right on into the styling of the video.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2, and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't, I know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej, hej. Nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Baby, know that she knew. I knew.
Baby, I do what I got.
Yes, okay. I don't know, this just made me think of her a while ago. Now, I don't think I look like anything like Faith Evans, but y'all know I'm deep into the them stories right about now. But this is, yeah, that's all I did. That's all I did. That is everything that I did, and I think she is stunning. Stunning, whether I poof her up or just really brush her out. And I feel like she really came to life after I really chopped her up, because the whole thing was just 26 inches. We got to chop it up if you want your hair to look, you see what I'm saying, like whoop de whoop shibbity boop boop boop. You got to chop it up. You got to chop it up. Okay, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. You got to cut it, okay? Especially if you want curls and you want that look, you have to cut it. You can't just leave it like that. I feel like one length hair looks really, really good on curly hair, like really wavy hair. Oh, that looks good. And really straight hair. But hair like this, you got to chop it up. You got to chop it up, okay? You got to put a little bit of layers in there and make it you know, bring your personality to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, not everybody's going to put on one wig and everybody look the same. You know what I'm saying? You got to do the lace to fit you. You got to do the layers to fit you. You get what I'm saying? You can take inspiration from what it is that another person is doing, but at the end of the day, it's gonna, you should make it yours. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. And I don't know if I've said it enough, child, but I'm tired of the mustache. What are y'all doing? Stop it. Okay? Stop it and stop it now, please. Not everybody is supposed to have that mustache thing going on there, and it seems like it's just the one track baby hair going on, especially in the wig community. If I come to you and you are like, and I want you to install my hair, and you do that, you know, say I gone. Just stop right there. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna need you to lay before you do anything. I want to see what you do, and then you know, I don't want to waste your time either. But as soon as I see you do that, no sir, come. Let me pay you for your time. I'm at McGuan. Like, for real. No, for real. If we want these units to look really good and natural, you have to customize baby hairs to fit your face. And baby hairs are short and fuzzy. It's never just that. It's okay. All right, I said what I need. I'm trying to help y'all, okay? Take it from big C's, okay? I'm trying to help y'all. All right. But I love this. I love this with a passion. I think that this is so pretty. It fits really well. And the drawstring in the back, chef's kiss. I'm telling you, that drawstring is a game changer. Make sure you check out Amanda here, and shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. Follow the coloring channel, and until the next video, take care of yourselves.
Ooh.